4 best military aircraft in the world. 4. Chengdu J-20. Chinese 5th-gen fighter with advanced stealth technology and supersonic speed, carrying air-to-air missiles and precision-guided bombs. In service since 2017. 3. Su-57. Russian stealth fighter jet designed for air superiority and ground attack missions. In service since 2020. 2. F-35 Lightning I. U.S. fighter with advanced stealth technology, carrying air-to-air missiles and precision-guided bombs. In service since 2015. 1. Dassault Rafale. French multirole fighter jet with advanced avionics, capable of air-to-air and ground attack missions. In service since 2001.